Looking for low-maintenance plants that add beauty to your space? Succulents are the perfect choice. They offer a delightful visual appeal with minimal upkeep, ideal for those seeking charm without extensive gardening chores. Today we will unveil our top 5 succulents that will add a touch of charm to your space. Starting our list with a popular choice, the aloe vera. Known for its luscious green leaves and easy care, it's a favorite among low-maintenance gardeners. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, it offers health benefits, including skin-soothing properties. Aloe vera, a perfect blend of beauty and utility for your space. Moving on to our second pick, the jade plant. This captivating succulent boasts thick, glossy leaves and thrives on neglect, needing only occasional watering. Frequently associated with good fortune, the jade plant is a symbol of prosperity that requires minimal care. Our third choice is the versatile echeveria. A diverse succulent, echeveria boasts a stunning array of colorful rosettes. Its resilience in various conditions makes it a truly adaptable plant. Echeveria, a vibrant addition to any space. Up next, we have the striking zebra plant. Distinguished by its unique striped pattern, this succulent thrives in indirect light. It's also undemanding in its thirst, requiring little water to maintain its vibrant appeal. The zebra plant, a striking yet easy to care for choice. Last but certainly not least, the string of pearls. This succulent boasts a unique trailing growth, demanding minimal care while adding a touch of elegance. Its cascading pearls create a lush green waterfall, effortlessly beautifying any space. String of pearls, a unique and elegant choice for your space. There you have it, our top 5 succulents for low-maintenance beauty. Aloe vera, jade plant, echeveria, zebra plant, and string of pearls all offer easy care and striking aesthetics. Remember, a beautiful space doesn't require high maintenance. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more plant and gardening tips.